Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. All my Muslim brothers and sisters in the world, and the peace of Allah be multiplied to all followers of different religions. Also, we have different religion, language, country, history, knowledge and ability. We are all human beings. Our humanity is the only bridge that will force us to care for each other, be a voice for each other. Love, unity, peace, growth are very crucial for our world. You love your mother, you love your father, you love your brother and sister. Their peaceful living is the strength of all us. If the Palestinian people live like our family, like our mother and brother and relative, please, for this short life we have, hate each other. Each leads to stop displacing, and again fighting each other. We know that the Palestinians are brothers of the world. Let's be a voice. We know that Palestinians are our family. Let's stand together to stop the humanitarian crisis war. Peace, Palestinians and Israelis, knowing that Islam or Christians, all of you, peace is equal for American, Iranian, Yemeni, Ukrainian, Russian, like also today's of Sudan and the whole of the world. Let us be a voice, love, peace for the people of the world. Stop displacing, killing, starving Palestinians. Let the whole world be one only for peace and brotherhood. Let's stop social media hate. Let have a unified view. No war.